Hi, it's Fias Taro. Hello, Cancer Placement. This is your general and love reading energies na paparating ngayong May kung anong meron ngayong May pagdating sa'yo. Sa placements mo, syempre. Okay, so, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And kung may tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin pagdating kay Perception of Light and sa mga naghahanap ng healer, kay Kuya Dingsi naman. Okay, and yes, pagdating sa ating mga items, so yung ating mga evil eye protection, meron tayo. And yung ating love bracelet, meron din. About connections. Okay, so ito yung isa, suot ko. Pagdating ito sa protection, pagpo-protect. Okay, this is evil eye. Ito yung garterize. Okay, so ito naman yung ating tawag dyan, adjustable. And ito naman yung ating necklace. This is unisex. Okay, and ito yung ring natin. This is adjustable, by the way. So, ganito. Pasensya na sa aking boses. And ano pa? Si Granter. And yung ating cord cut. So, kung may mga tanong, message na lang po pagdating dyan sa ating mga items. Okay. So, again, don't forget rin na i-follow yung ating dalawang YouTube channel na nasa description box below. Okay. So, let's see what's for you in general. Cancerian. What's for you? What's for you? Cancer placements. Cancer. Cancerian. Okay. Eight of Wands Universe. Some of you, ang specific dito, meron kayong mga iba-block. Okay, meron kayong mga iba-block. So, what's with this? Some of you, this is like talking about delays. Oh, the Queen of Cups. Tingnan ko, ano tong Eight of Wands na naka-reverse? A slow burner connection. There's this slow burner connection na pwedeng dumating or pwedeng mangyari ngayong May. Okay? Some of you are still waiting for a reply or for a message. Okay? Some of you, people will get curious pagdating sa kung anong meron sa'yo, like in love. Okay, we're talking about general here, pero people will be sabihin natin curious about you. So kung anong meron sa'yo, people will ask you questions, lalo na yung family members, nanay, tatay mo, maybe. Okay, andyan yung curiosity nila pagdating sa'yo. May chance kasi na pwedeng nakikita nila or makikita nila na parang wala kang masyadong gana this May. Walang masyadong ganap. Yun ang tingin nila. Okay? There's this specific question na pwedeng itanong sa'yo. Cancer, like, kumusta na si ano? Parang hindi ko na nakikita na nakakausap mo. Ano nangyari sa inyo? Like that. That's specific. Not for all. Or could be a friend ang magtatanong sa'yo. Excuse me. What else? Days of Wands. New opportunities. Something will make you excite. Something will give you excitement this May. Could be travel, maybe connection. Ano to? Ace of Wands, Seven of Pentacles. Something na pwedeng inaasam mo rin. Some of you, may chance na talagang may maka-connect ka na pwedeng sabihin natin siya yung gusto mo. Yeah. Andun kasi yung focus. Some of you, pwedeng meron kang sisimulan na pwedeng binibigyan mo ng focus ng mga nakaraan. I don't know kung anong tinutukoy sa Ace of Wands. Madami kasing energy yun. Madaming ibig sabihin. Some of you, there's this fire sign or earth sign who's thinking of you sexually. Yeah. Justice. Some of you, sabihin nating start a new career, business maybe, or new job. Okay? Yeah. What else? I'm hearing, visa, travel visa, na pwedeng dumating ngayong May. Some of you, there's this opportunity to pass an exam, a test. Okay? Approved. Meron akong word na nakita ang approve. What else for Cancer? Seven of Swords reversed. Secrets will be revealed. Questions will get answers. Two of Pentacles. There's this air sign or earth sign who is juggling. May pagdadalawang isip pagdating sa gusto niyang sabihin. What's with this Seven of Swords reversed? Temperance. Kung ano man to, they're like planning, thinking kung paano magiging smooth flowing yung gagawin niya towards you, or ikaw ito pagdating sa kanya. I think this is like a communication, okay, a message. Maybe somebody is like juggling pagdating sa pakikipag-communicate sa'yo. I don't know if this is a past person. Okay? A past person. Or it could be you. Ang parang nagja-juggle whether should I reach out or not. Kailangan ko bang makipag-ayos sa kanya or what? Kailangan ko bang kumustahin siya or what? Something like that. Okay? So, Temperance is here. Andun yung parang hindi ko naman to kailangan madaliin. Siguro hahanap ako ng magandang timing. Something like that. Okay? Somebody's afraid of the rejection. Yeah, the Sun. Andun pa rin yung thinking about positivity. Like, gusto ko maging okay kasi. Parang ganon. Okay? Something, sabihin nating guided pagdating sa kung anong mga malalaman mo. Parang this is like kailangan mo talagang malaman. Some of you, ikaw itong magkakaroon ng doubt kung malalaman mo or kung may sabihin natin may mabubunyag. Okay? So, yeah, the King of Cups in reverse. Don't judge agad if ever. Oo, so siguro ganun nga. Some of you, wag agad-agad gagawa ng isang decision out of your emotion. kung ano man. Yeah, kung ano man ang malalaman mo in general this coming May, na pwedeng sa tingin mo, kailangan mo munang magdalawang isip or kailangan mo munang pag-isipan kung totoo ba, then do it. Okay? Wag muna tayong magja-jump into conclusion or magja-judge agad-agad whatsoever. Okay? And yun nga, don't make any kind of decision out of your emotions. Okay? So, yun. I don't know kung ano yun. That's general. So, pagdating sa love, let's see. Okay, what's for you in love this May? So, yung the person on your mind. So, I think gagawan lang ako ng separate video about that. Okay? So, Cancer, what's for you in love? What's coming in this May when it comes to love for Cancerians? What's for you, Cancer? Oh, the Fool. Ten of Coins, Ten of Pentacles in reversed. Be careful with people na talagang sa tingin ko gagamitin ka lang sa pera mo or what. Star in reversed. Okay? Be careful. Yeah. This is like one-sided. Who is this? Who is this? Could be an Aries or Earth sign. The World. Somebody na pwedeng malayo sa'yo. Okay, excuse me. Could be a fixed sign. Leo, Taurus, Aquarius, Scorpio. Yeah. Sinasabi rito, there could be an energy of codependency, lalo na parang money base na connection. Somebody na pwedeng ila-love bomb ka because they need something bigger. Okay? Pagdating sa'yo, they want something from you. So, let's say, gagawa ito ng mga kung ano-ano man. Small. Sabihin nating gestures or they will give you bare minimum. Parang ganyan. Papakita sa'yo na they're into you pero they need something from you. They just need something from you. Ting! Okay? Malayo sila. Some of you pwedeng makakonect mo to through online. Okay, online chats. The Nine of Swords in reversed. And the Four of Swords. Four of Cups in reversed. Pwedeng ma-fall ka dito. Okay, pwedeng mag-trust ka sa kanya, pero the Four of Cups is here in reversed. Ang mangyayari dito, magkakaroon ng codependency. Kasi nandoon na yung energy na, kasi nag-invest ako sa kanya, kasi nagganto ako sa kanya, nagbigay ako ng ganito, ganto, ganyan, ganyan. So, kasi mula pa lang, alam mo na. Okay? Kapag siya yung parang may ibinigay sa'yo, kapag binigay sa'yo mugmug at humingi ng kapalit, isang buong tinapay, alam mo na. Okay? Okay. So, wag mong gawing literal, ha? Okay, yeah. See, the Ace of Cups in reverse. This is not good. Okay? This is not, sabihin nating kailangan mong panghinayangan. No? The Four of Cups in reverse, pwedeng iisipin mo, nakakatakot kasi na humindi sa kanya because maybe siya na yung for me or whatsoever. Nakakaramdam ako na pwedeng they're the one that got away if ever na mangyaring separation. No! Okay? No. No. Again, the Nine of Pentacles. Codependency. Your money. Ang mahal nito, ang mamahalin. The benefits, maybe, kung wala kang pera. The benefits. Sex. Okay? So, Kasi naibigay ko na lahat eh. Whatsoever. Kung lalaki ka man, well, same lang. Be careful. Yeah, the fool. Okay, ayaw natin na lalaruin lang tayo. Be careful with this connection na pwedeng dumating. Be careful. So, it's like a gabay, no? Pagdating sa energies in love na pwedeng mangyari this May. Be careful. Some of them, they have, sabihin nating, kukunin yung tiwala mo. Magsasabi sila ng kung anumang issue sa past nila, sa ex nila, sa family, whatsoever. They will just, they want to get your, like trust. Okay? Mahirap alisan to, actually. Ito, nakikita ko na to. Mahirap alisan. Bago to. Yeah, bago. Bagong person. This is not a past person. So, what else? In love. What else? Pagdating sa mga Cancerian, anong parating when it comes to love? Eight of Wands. Communication. Saan galing? The Two of Swords universe. Some of you, you'll be open. Pagdating sa pakikipag-communicate, pagdating sa pakikipag-usap nga, pakikipag-connect, I think. Okay? The Eight of Pentacles. Some of you, pwedeng, a connection na pwedeng mangyari sa workplace, I think. Sa workplace. Yeah. Some of you, pwedeng may makakarelasyon or may makakakonect ka dyan sa workplace. Okay? Six of Swords. Sana sa paganda, no? Kasi nakikita ko dito consistent naman. Yeah. And the Sun. The Three of Cups. The Star. The Lovers. Yeah, for me, some of you specific, ang nakikita ko rito, pwedeng may makarelasyon ka, pwedeng katrabaho mo. Ngayong May. Some of you, pwedeng siya na yung for you. I'm seeing din dito ng pregnancy, if ever. Okay, this is constant. Okay, there's this constant communication, consistent yung energy na nakikita ko. Some of you, pwedeng mag-start kayo as friends, and then, tsaka mag-grow as lovers, para mga ganun. Okay? So, yeah, this is nice. Okay? Some of you, be careful with people surrounding. Okay? Meron dito nagbabato ng evil eye, I think. Yeah. Magiging open ka. Pagdating sa isang connection, and this is consistent. Kung hindi man to workplace, ang energy is consistent. Outcome is the Sun, then that's good. Okay? I'm seeing and hearing the word leveling up. Okay? And stepping up. Kung ikaw itong nasa connection na, pwedeng may sabihin natin, mas maging okay. Yeah, the word stepping up. Going into the next level. Yeah, again, the Four of Wands. Some of you, this is marriage. And this is long term. Okay? This is long term. The Nine of Cups. This is nice though. This is nice. Sana makakuha. Sana ito na lang yung makuha nyo. Wag na tong isa. Okay? Yeah. Yeah, nakaka-happy kapag ganito yung energy, kapag ganito yung makukuha mo. Whether ikaw or somebody na pwedeng nasa energy mo. Okay? That's being healed rin. Anyway. So, yeah. Aries through Pisces. All signs for you, Cancer. What's for you? Tingnan natin. Oh no. Sensya na ha sa aking card. Oo, ganyan na talaga siya. Ayokong palitan. Oo, hanggat kaya. Hanggat kaya niya. Oo. So, Aries through Pisces. The zodiac sign you're dealing with or dealt with. Aries. Communication. Yeah, in general, there could be communication coming in with Aries. Taurus, they need you. Gemini, they want to fix things. Cancer, excuse me, Cancer, they want to say sorry, some of them. They want to say sorry. Leo, you're their wish fulfillment. Yeah, they want to say that you're their wish fulfillment. Virgo, inconsistent. Libra, a missed opportunity. Scorpio, they're waiting for you. They're like planning of saying kung ano man yung gusto nilang i-express, their emotions for you. Sagittarius, they're afraid of the rejection, maybe afraid in general. They're not ready. Capricorn, so it's like endings or closing ng pintuan, if ever, no? It's like sabihin nating ending of a cycle with this Capricorn. Aquarius, answers. Some of you, you'll hear something from them, or pwedeng ikaw itong may malalaman, or pwedeng siya yung may malalaman. Pisces, they're isolating themselves from you. Okay, some of them, they're planning, kaya parang hindi sila like totally open. Some of them, they're getting ready kung ano man ang mga gusto nilang sabihin. They're like planning, staging, kung ano mga kailangan nilang. Okay, pagdating sa'yo. Yeah, the Emperor, being ready. Okay? Yeah, the Devil, the Justice, maybe maybe they'll try na talagang i-avoid kung ano man yung mga hindi nila gustong mangyari. That is why. Okay, so there, yeah, yun ang aking reading for you, Cancer placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page, and yung ating dalawang YouTube channel nasa description box below. Thank you! Bye!